I think these projects are amazing. I don't think we can put a value on how important this is going to be for ecosystem restoration and for resiliency across our landscape. When we have a healthy, functioning floodplain, which is what we've got back here, we went from having these graded channels to a healthy, functioning floodplain. And so what you get for that is you not only get the fisheries habitat, you get the increased macroinvertebrate populations, you get amphibians, reptiles, birds, everything comes back. And that increases our aesthetic value of the outside, but it also increases our water quality. As the water is able to spread out over the floodplain, you increase the filtration capacity and its buffering capacity to be able to deal with these big natural disasters. As we have climate change, as we have more debris torrents coming from wildfire and logging associated with that, as we have more flooding, what we need is to build resiliency within our landscape. So we're increasing that resiliency when we let the whole ecosystem function as it's supposed to. So when we take our channel and let it function as a big floodplain where we can have creeks, tributaries, the rivers that meander across the floodplain, they increase their water quality, which makes it easier for us to treat the water downriver as well. It makes the water cleaner for everybody to be swimming in, to be recreating in, to be fishing in, doing all the things that they love in the McKenzie. And it also decreases costs at the treatment plant for Hayden Bridge for the water that we all drink. What we're seeing for these kind of stage 0 restoration is if you build it, they will come. If you give the fish the opportunity to have the habitat to reproduce in and to build their beds in, then they will find it and they will optimize and use that habitat to the best of their ability. The more floodplains, the better. The more that we can increase the diversity of the ecosystem and the structure, especially at really critical areas like where we have these tributaries are feeding into the main stem McKenzie, that's the really critical areas that we can protect right now. The more we can optimize those larger scale restoration efforts, they're going to do amazing things for water quality in that immediate area and downstream as well.